morning, my name is Joe Cashwell with Rotorcraft RC. Well, we have another beautiful custom case to show you today. Tim and I started emailing back and forth about this build. Then we ended up getting on the phone. Boy, did we get into some random conversations. Tim's been in the helicopter hobby for a very long time. I've been in since '84 and he came in just about the time I did. So we knew a lot of people that knew each other. We've run into each other at IRCHA, but never had the opportunity to talk. We definitely made up for it on the phone. Great guy, absolutely great guy. Building cases for hobbyists and professionals, sometimes you get into this crazy relationship with people and you just bond and you get along, and I know it's going to be a lifetime friendship. It's just, we just have entirely too much in common. Well, we were really proud to build this case for Tim, and I know he's going to use it well, and hopefully he gets as much enjoyment out of using it as I did building it. So this is another build, of course, for hobbyists, acrylics. We did 5-pin RGB LEDs, and boy are these things bright. I think we're going to start using these on every build with LEDs. The second thing that we put in here was a Bose Color Link 2 speaker. We also added charging feature to it. So if he's out at the field and he's flying for an extended period of time, he can flick the switch and actually charge a speaker. But you don't want to keep charged to it all the time, because then you end up in an overcharge situation. So he has the ability to turn it off also. So another one of our favorite customers, Garrett, we built, like, I'm not going to say it because his wife probably doesn't know. We built a couple cases for Garrett. He challenged us last year to do flip-up screens on our iPro design, and we made it happen. It was really, really tough. The way we did his, we will never do it again because it was overcomplication. Is that a word? It's going to be a word for today. We just completely destroyed ourselves with just a complex design. So we came up with a new design for Tim. And this is not easier, but it is not as difficult. And we are actually going to start offering this to people that want flip-up screens on the iPro. It came out spectacular. Went together fairly well. No multi-step of just tweaking, and it's just, we made it easier. So if you want flip-up screens on an iPro design, it's twice as easy as it was on Garrett's. To put the screens down before you shut the lid. When you have a deck up here and a deck down here, we have about 3/8, a little bit less than 3/8 of an inch clearance in between the two decks. If you have those screens up, you're just going to wad them up. We don't want that. So we have the dynamic balance boards, our arc-proof 4mm banana jacks. He has mooch jacks, which means he can use a DC power source to run the case, or if the case is running and you have a power supply that's putting out 26 volts, you can use the mooch jacks to power something off board. You just want to make sure that it accepts the voltage coming out of the power supply. We also have our Gen 3 USB-C quick charger, storage, flip-up screens, just a standard bling. And he did all this in the Nanuk 935 case. We like the 935 case because of the retractable handle and the wheels on it. So you can just roll this thing around. So instead of having to schlep a case around, you can be like a gentleman and just gently roll it around. Rotorcraft RC, keeping you in charge.